Welcome back to Dalal Street Decode, your daily dose of stock market insights. Markets kicked off the new week on a strong note, but with a twist. Volatility early on, followed by a tight range. Let's decode what moved the markets today. Nifty and Sensex closed higher by 0.6% each. Mid-caps and small-caps followed suit, climbing 0.7% and 0.4% respectively. All sectors ended in the green, led by auto, IT, and FMCG. Auto stocks raced ahead while IT saw a good comeback despite global tech jitters. Let's look at today's top Nifty gainers. Bajaj Auto surged 2.49% to RS8, 958. JSW Steel gained 2.36%. M&M and Hindalco also saw strong traction. Retail favorite Trent was up 1.66%. On the flip side, Zomato, now trading as Eternal, dropped 4.5% due to FTSE and MSCI weight cuts. Other mild losers included Kotak Mahindra, Ultratech, and Sun Pharma. Global cues were mixed. US markets declined, with Nasdaq down 1%. Europe, mostly in the green. Asia saw a mixed bag. Meanwhile, the rupee strengthened against the dollar, closing at Rs 84.90. Here are your headline makers. US delays EU import tariffs till July 9. Groww files for an IPO via the confidential route. Leela Hotels' Schloss Bangalore IPO is still crawling at 0.06 times subscription. Aegis Vopak Terminals IPO is at 0.26 times so far. More on that in a second. Balkrishna Industries crashed 9% intraday despite okayish results. What spooked investors? Their move into truck and car radial tires, a fiercely competitive space with deep-pocketed incumbents. Margins fell, and analysts like Kotak even see a further 15% downside. Meanwhile, GE Vernova T&D hit the 10% upper circuit on blockbuster results. Revenue up 26%, PAT up 3 times year-over-year, and an order book worth 12,700 crore. Nuvama sees another 10% upside. Let's decode the Aegis Vopak Terminals IPO. At 223 to 235 rupees per share, they aim to raise 2,800 crore. India's largest third-party liquid storage operator, owning 25% of the capacity, plans to repay debt and build a cryogenic LPG terminal. Margins are massive, EBITDA at 73%, but the valuation, steep at 56.5 times EV/EBITDA, 2 to 3 times higher than peers like Adani Ports. Gray Market suggests a possible 7% listing gain. Word of the day: IPO subscription. It simply reflects demand. If more people want shares than what's offered, oversubscribed. Less, undersubscribed. Right now, both Schloss Bangalore and Aegis Vopak are undersubscribed. Watch out! Q. What does it mean to book profits, from the principal or the gains? A. Great question. Booking profits means selling your stock when it's in green, turning unrealized gains into real gains. It can be any portion, no fixed rule. Sell a bit or sell all, you're still booking profits. To sum up, markets are bullish, but caution lingers with global cues and expensive IPO valuations. Which stock or IPO are you watching this week? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dalal Street Decode for your daily market insights. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing. Jai Hind. Of this billion-dollar juggernaut, like, subscribe and hit that bell. This is Dalal Street Decode, where cricket meets capitalism. The IPL isn't just a sports league, it's a money machine. In 2024, the league's total business value crossed $16.4 billion. Its brand value alone, a cool $3.4 billion. That's more than the GDP of several small countries. This explosive growth is no accident. It's the result of a genius mix of entertainment, brand building, and bulletproof economics. deals. Franchises like MI and RCB now own teams in leagues like SA20, the 100 and Major League Cricket. Global cricket domination in progress. Who's ruling the IPL financial chart? Why the difference? Because some firms rate brand strength, others factor in global equity and expansion. Either way, CSK and MI are battling for the top spot. The IPL doesn't just grow cricket, it grows India's economy. Thousands of jobs in hospitality, marketing, logistics, broadcasting, and more. Ticket sales, ads, and sponsorships equal GST, corporate tax, income tax, a goldmine for the exchequer. Every home match means hotel bookings, food orders, shopping booms. Cities like Mumbai, Ahmedabad, and Hyderabad thrive during IPL season. The IPL isn't stopping, it's evolving. More global franchises, NFTs and fan tokens, immersive streaming experiences, Women's Premier League rising into its own billion-dollar league. It's not just about cricket anymore, it's about building sports empires. If you love this peek into IPL's money game, give us a like, hit subscribe, and comment below. Which team is your financial MVP on and off the pitch? This is Dalal Street Decode, where cricket meets capitalism. Until next time, keep decoding the game behind the game.